Hi students, so from today I am going to start how to write programs in C programming language Dive C++. This is my first lecture in this programming languages, C programming languages. In this first lecture I am writing a addition of two integers. Write a C program addition of two integers. Here I am using Dive C++ software. In the Dive C++ software I am writing a C programs addition of two integers. First I am click on that file menu. In that menus I am click on that file menu. Drop down box it will appear on the screen, and select new. You can move the mouse cursor left, drag that cursor left to right onwards. You have to see source file, click on that source file. You have a new file to write a program. We are writing that program is addition of two integers, hash include stdio.h. This line describes a hash is a preprocessor directive and include standard input output header files. Means whatever that files or comes under in this program, that all files are included in this preprocessor directive. Then press enter. Now you have to write an entry of the program. Here I am writing int main. This is my entering of the program. In place of int main you can also use void main entry for entry of the program. What is the difference about this int main and void main? Int is returns any value. Void main is it does not return any value. Means int main it terminates that program, entire program. Here I am using to entry of the program into main function. Then press enter, and body of the loop will be over. Body of the program will be open. Within the flower brackets you can write that what you want to write this C program. That all information you have to write in this flower brackets only. uh, First you have to declare that variables. We are writing that program addition of two integers. Means yeah, I have three variables. First I am declaring that variable declaration. Okay, int data type, and variable a, variable b, and sum equals to 0. Here I am writing that program. That program is addition of two integers. Means here I have three variables to add two integers. Here I am taking we are in that question, we are adding integers. That's why here I am taking that data type, that is integer. Int data type space variables. This is that structure of the variable declaration. And a comma b, and sum is equals to 0. Sum is initialized with 0, initialized by 0, and press enter. Printf is it displaying that output result what you want to show on the screen. That information comes under in this within that double quotes in printf enter two integers. Enter two integers a and b is colon backslash n. The backslash n and end of the line end with semicolon. Here you just observe enter two integers a and b is backslash n. Backslash n means cursor it will move automatically next line, and press enter. You are displayed on the screen enter two integers a and b. That a and b variable stored in int data type, where it is storing, and you have to know that location. You have to scan that information inside of the scanf scanf. Here in the scanf is an input device. Whatever that variables you are declaring, that variables information have scanned inside of the scanf. Means these two variables a comma b, we are entering only two variables. That variables values we are assigning in a runtime. In runtime, the time we are in, whenever we are entering that values to variable, it's automatically scan that result where it is storing that integer values, where it is storing address of the variables. Means we are initializing, we are declaring these variables in a int data type. We have to know about the int data type format specifier. To scan %d space %d. Here we are initializing a and b, two variables. Here we are also initializing two format specifier in scanf. And comma, we have to know the address of the variable also, where it is storing address location. Ampersand a comma ampersand b, semicolon, enter. Then we are assigning that variables in runtime environment. We are assigning that variables to values a and b. Then we are a means addition of two integers. Now we I am writing that addition of two variables formula. Sum equals to a plus b. Here we are find outing that some value, addition of two variables values, sum equals to a plus b. In variable declaration, we are already initialized that some variable is initializing by 0. 0 is equals to a plus b. We are whatever that value we are getting, that is initializing some value a plus b. Press enter. Then we have to get that output result in a printf. Printf sum of a and b is %d comma sum. Why we are initializing the format specify %d for sum? Sum is a variable, that sum variable is declared in int data type. Means int data type format specifier, that is %d. For in generally we are writing a program that is addition of two integers. Means to you add that two integers, you are getting that result also an integer only. Press enter. Return 0. Means we are entry of this program with the help of the int main function. Means it returns any value. In this program we are return that value, that is sum. We are get that result, that is sum. We are already in that formula declared sum is equals to a plus b. No need to return any value. That's why here I am writing return 0. Then I can save this program. Click on file menu and save. You have to know the source file C program extension of the file name dot c. First we are selecting that source file name dot c. Now I am saving my program b dot c. Click on save. Our program is saved. Then I will compiling my program Here I am compiling my program. Click on execute. Drop down box it will shown on the screen. You have to see compile. You have a functional key also. You can directly press on the keyboard F9 functional key. Here I am pressing compile. Any errors are there in my program, checking for the errors. Here the zero errors, warnings is 0. Then I will go with execute and run my program to get that output result. Click on run, or else you can press F10 functional key on the keyboard. Here I am pressing run, and you can observe command prompt will be shown on the screen. Enter two integers a and b is. Now here I am entering the two integer values, that is 4. I am entering a value is a 4 and b value is 6. Then press enter. We are get that output result. Sum of a and b is 10. Okay.